What's up guys, this is TJ at Freedom Custom Karts. Today we're going to feature a brand new club car Onward gas golf cart. So we want to highlight a few things. First, up front, you're going to see this comes as a lifted model or a lowered. The lifted model does come with a brush guard, LED lights. It's got factory lift kit, independent suspension. We've upgraded the wheels to the Zeus 14-inch black with the 23-inch all-terrain tires. This golf cart has a few upgrades on it. One of these being a hinge design windshield, which is an upgrade over the glued style so it doesn't break, doesn't make noise. We've also added the side mirrors. There's optional overhead storage bins and other accessories that are available. This cart also features grab handles, 80-inch roof. This cart is a street legal prep package, so varying communities will accept this as street legal, but please consult your local community on what the requirements are. The cart features a fuel gauge, also has the accessory port, 4 cup holders, storage in the dash. We've also added the mud guards on this model. If you come around here to the other side, you'll see the cart has all aluminum frame, no rust ever. That frame will last a lifetime, worry-free. This cart does feature the Kohler gas engine, so no maintenance. This is an electronic fuel injected motor, so there's no carb that you have to mess around with. Basically, you hop in, hit the pedal, go. You're going to be able to go hundreds of miles on this without even filling up the gas. This cart does feature a flip-over 4-passenger flatbed. So you have a flatbed here for any sort of lake use, yard use, neighborhood use, and then you're also going to have an optional cooler accessory. This can also be removed if you want to use the storage underneath. And there's also an optional locking storage box in the back. This cart does feature a rear grab bar, making it easier for passengers to hop in and out. This cart comes with a 2-year warranty. We are a fully trained tech service department in-house, so our staff does handle full service. We do recommend once a year annual maintenance on all golf carts, including gas. Gas carts, you should be getting them in for a oil change and an annual service 1 time per year. This golf cart does feature premium black seats, both front and rear. Insanely comfortable. If you guys are in the market for a brand new gas golf cart, check us out. We have hundreds of carts available in our showroom. We're also available by appointment, one-on-one, or phone. We also offer nationwide delivery, free local delivery, and we'll get you fixed up.